Hey everyone, welcome back to Isobe Food. It's been months since I posted my last video, but you know what? Time well spent. Great summer with family, friends, and tons of cooking just off camera. That doesn't mean we're not going to come back strong today. We're going with an incredible dish, Hiroshima style Okonomiyaki. This thing is packed with cabbage, pork belly, yakisoba noodles. The list goes on and on. Back in 2016, I documented our visit to Reichan in Hiroshima, which is an incredible okonomiyaki house, watching the masters themselves pull out these sublime creation. Incredibly delicious. Can't wait to get to it today. Be sure to check out that video. It's on my YouTube channel. And also, visit isobefood.com for all the ingredients and written recipe. Let's get started. Whisk together cave flour, kosher salt, and dashi stock until fully incorporated. Heat a flat grill or a large nonstick pan over medium heat. Ladle in about 3/4 of a cup of batter and spread it out to an 8 to 10 inch disc using a circular motion. Dust the top with bonito powder and place a large handful of cabbage on top. Pile on some bean sprouts, bini shoga, Japanese pickled ginger, tenkatsu, crunchy bits of tempura, green onions, and thin strips of pork belly. Evenly distribute about 1/4 cup of batter on top and let the pancake cook until released. Then, carefully flip the pancake using 2 spatulas. Gather any scraps and form everything back into a circle. Firmly press down from time to time to create a uniform thickness as the cabbage cooks. Next up, saute the yakisoba noodles with about 1 tablespoon of okonomiyaki sauce. Shape the noodles into a circle, cook until slightly crispy. Lift and place the pancake on top of the noodles. If needed, brush on a little bit of vegetable oil into a circle and crack an egg on top. Shape the egg into a circle and then place the okonomiyaki on top of the egg. Once the egg is cooked and has released from the pan, flip everything back over. Top with okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, and a dusting of aonori seaweed. So there you have it, folks. Hiroshima style okonomiyaki. This stuff is incredible. My absolute favorite Japanese street food of all time. And there's tons and tons of different versions of it. Lots of different ingredients you can tweak to your own liking. So be sure to try it a couple of different ways and enjoy it yourself. I really hope you liked it today. And as always, if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. That does it for me. Be sure to come back next time to Isobe Food, where you get what you need to succeed in the kitchen. I'm your host, Jamie. I love you. I'm gonna dig in. Whoa. Chewy, crispy, crunchy. Everything that just melts in your mouth. I really hope you give this a try. I'll see y'all next time.